this video, I'll show you how easy it is to sign up to our Conga customer community and to get the most out of our virtual user groups. The first thing you need to do is sign up if you don't already have an account. And if you have an account, just enter your email address and password and click on continue. Once you're in the Conga community, you can then head to collaborate and user groups. Select your user group and you can view all of the user groups by clicking on the all groups. You then select your user group. So in this case, I'm going to select the Conga Composer user group. And click on join to become a member. It's from here you can ask questions and collaborate with other customers and product experts. If you want to sign up for our virtual user groups, head over to our upcoming and recent events and then register for the next user group session. Fill in your details and register. We hope to see you there.